This is from Heart to Heart podcast number 21, and it's me, May Mustafa. I want to thank you if you are a new listener for choosing from Heart to Heart podcast to listen to. And of course, thank you, appreciate you if you are a regular listener for coming back. Today's episode is about something I've never done before, which is sharing a quote that I liked in a book that I currently reading, which is Alpha Girls. If you're interested, let's jump right in. When I was reading a book called Alpha Girls, the women upstarts who took on Silicon Valley's male culture and made the deals of lifetime, I came through a beautiful quote that says, if you try to be the best, you're going to drive yourself crazy. Just be your best. And I think that is so powerful because it's true. We used to compare ourselves with other people, which is something bad and unhealthy and make us envy others. But we kinda forgot to compare ourselves to what we were in the past. Sometimes we get better and better, but we think, no, we didn't get any better, but we actually did. If we just saw what we were in the past, we will notice how better we became. But because we got distracted by others, those people who are better than us, but I think they're better not because anything, but because they may start, before us, or they may just talented in that, or maybe they just did a lot of efforts more than us so that they are better. But if we just saw them and envy them and say in our inner voice that why are they better than us? We must do more and more and more. And if we follow this approach, it will hurt us more than it will serve us. But if we kind of realized we were lousy in this skill before, and then we kind of get better and we improved and our skill developed by time and by efforts, we will make ourselves a favor, I think, so that we can feel happiness and we can feel that actually efforts work, right? Other thing that I think this quote is inviting us to do is to celebrate our small achievements, in a goofy way, so that we can encourage ourselves to do better and to continue actually our journey, or to continue, the way we decided to take and follow. I always forget to not achieve actually, it's, celebrate my small achievements, and whenever I get what I wanted, I feel nothing, and it's bad because I was lost in doing whatever it takes and to, push myself forward. But in that all, I just forgot to enjoy that journey or enjoy that path that I decided to follow or to take. So please, if you're listening to this and you have a big goal, try to divide that big goal to small little things, and whenever you achieve anything, celebrate it. Give yourself, a pat on the back because you deserve it. And it will encourage you to even do more and to continue. And it's amazing, right? Another thing that I want to highlight here is to not self-sabotage. don't, don't hurt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Don't, you know, let yourself be in a dark place, Don't, what is it? Don't speak negatively with yourself, Don't overthink about things and, in a negative manner, because you will destroy every positivity in your soul, and you will actually poison your mind and everything good inside you. So don't. Try step by step to perform better, and it's okay to do mistakes. I'm always saying that in all my episodes because it's okay, people. We are humans, right? We're not here to impress others. We're humans means we are making mistakes, and then we will notice and we will learn from it, and then we will make other good judgments in the future. That is how the human society works. It's how us works, actually. So it's okay. Whatever in the past, let it be in the past. Don't look at the past as if it's something horrible or it's something that, you know, hurtful, because even though you felt pain, it's okay, because that pain will teach you the best, and welcome everything, so that you can learn from it and to be even wiser in the future, and to know exactly, how to decide in the present in a way that will not hurt you anymore. So it's really okay. So now let me just give you a quick recap, which is try to compare yourself with yourself, not with others, and to celebrate your small achievements, and to not self-sabotage. And then now I'm gonna leave you with this quote. If you try to be the best, you're going to drive yourself crazy. Just be your best. This is the end of this episode. If you didn't subscribe to this podcast, please do, to get notified whenever I make new episodes. Make sure to share this episode with your friends to help spread the word. Remember that you can connect with me on Instagram at maymustafa.fhth. And until next time, peace.